thinking every weekend, yeah. I love me so.
Johannes Kepler. Johannes Kepler was born in Wildeshkraft, Germany in 1571. He was raised in a poor home with only his mother due to his dad dying early in his life. Even though Kepler was really poor and faced troubles with getting sick regularly, he was extremely smart at school and got a scholarship to the University of Tübingen. At the university, he learned about the ideas of Copernicus. Later, he got a job as an assistant to Brahe, where he was tasked to finding the mystery of Mars. After Brahe's death, Kepler started working on his own theories. He created the major planetary theories, such as the theory that planets don't move in a circle, but in an ellipse shape. Planets go around in proportional time compared to the distance, and how to find the planet's orbit. Kepler also helped with improving the telescope and the eyeglasses that we use today. He wrote many science books and was the first author of a science fiction book. His ideas and theories have helped the scientists in the past and the scientists today, such as Sir Isaac Newton with his discovery of gravity and how it works. First of all, let me explain what Kepler's planetary theories were. His first theory, also known as the theory of ellipses, said that the planets don't orbit the sun in circular orbit, but in an ellipse orbit. This theory is important on two levels. The first level is that it proves the theory that Earth is not at the center of a solar system, but the sun is. This theory also disproved Copernicus's theory of the planets orbiting the sun in a circular orbit. Having the orbit not be circular means that the sun is not on the vertex, but is on one of the foci. Having it be an ellipse is also important because now you can use the properties of an ellipse to find other laws, such as the laws of equal areas. The law of equal areas is Kepler's second law of planetary motion. Kepler discovered this law while observing Mars and realized that Mars does not move at a continuous pace, meaning it does not have a constant velocity which would have been given by a circular orbit. This meant that Mars is moving at a changing velocity, which means that it is going in an ellipse orbit, which proved his first law. He discovered that the closer Mars got to the sun, the faster it moved, and when it was more far away, it moved slower. With this finding, he found the lengths that would equal to the same time throughout the orbit. Using the information from his two laws, he created his third law, that is used to find the ratio between the time of a planet's orbit and the length of its semi-major axis. He discovered that the ratio for all the planets were similar. His equation for this theory is what helped Sir Isaac Newton create the law of gravity.
Slide with the tank on full, lead with the Glock on E. I got a K, it hold 100, but I got lazy, only put 90. Money make your whole team vanish, that's a paper trick, origami. I beat Dolo, don't need a posse. If you got the wave, I got the tsunami. Chain hit like Ike Turner, but I don't